Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, coming to you with another new and exciting product from the team here at Speedwerx. Today we are talking about our titanium L2 light and loud performance muffler for the 22 to 26 Polaris boost models. So it fits on all of them across the board. As I said, it's our L2 version and it's titanium. If you don't want a loud muffler, don't look at this muffler. We have a trail quiet can and we have a stock muffler mod for guys that are looking at that. But if you want the lightest muffler on the market for the boost and a super sweet badass piece, this is the guy you want right here. It is 13.2 pounds lighter than stock. Its overall weight is only 2.6 pounds. Just a lot of really cool features and things going on here. 100% made in the USA here, right here at the Speedwerx shop. OEM spec diffuser specifications on here. That's very, very important. If you don't see this type of shape on the muffler you have, you should seriously reconsider what you got going on there, because that is a huge thing when it comes to overall performance. We'll show you some dyno sheets and stuff. It does add a little bit of horsepower. We're not necessarily here to talk about that right now. It's more about the weight savings, everything like that. And then, like I said, there are other options if you don't want a loud one. Retail price of $899.95. Again, titanium construction. It's got this cool scalloped finish on the outlet here, where this is on the front side where the snow would come and hit. And then it mates up really, really close to your belly pan. So if you do get capped off or have an issue there, it'll create some type of a cavity and let that exhaust exit where you're in the deep snow applications. But yeah, super cool part. I mean, it's crazy how light this stuff is. Any of you guys have been at the trade shows and got to touch these things, feel these things. So cool, so amazing. Really cool and happy to be offering this product. But yeah, L2 comp muffler for the 22 to 26 Polaris boost models. Retails for $899.95. Check it out on the website, or if you got any questions, give us a call.